Alright guys, we are live for box break number 54. This is 2014-2015 Panini Threads basketball. Be a couple minutes while everybody finds us. So hang on real quick and we'll get to breaking. Alright guys, I think Josh and Jordan are having a small issue with payment. I'm going to give them a second here. Hey Landgren, I think Jordan sent to the wrong email address. I think Josh gave him an email with an error in it. The payment says unclaimed. Do you know how to get that payment back? It's not for me. I've never had that come up before. Yeah, I've never had it come up before, Jordan. I'm not sure. I'll give it a minute, see if we can figure it out. Josh said you could still have the team. Anybody know? I get a payment back sent to the wrong email and it's unclaimed payment. Austin, you gotta wait a while. Yeah, I've never done it, so I'm not sure. Go to browser page, like on the computer, or using the internet on your phone. Sender cancels payment. So Jordan, I think you would have to go cancel the payment. I don't know if you guys are good with figuring out. Josh seems willing to work. We'll go ahead and break, and you guys can try to figure that out afterwards, but unless there's objections, I'll just leave Jordan on the team right there. I don't remember what team it was. The Hornets, I think. Alright. Let me bring the teams over real quick. Not on that thread. I can find them. Like one more minute and we'll rip into this. That's not the video. Here's the video. Here are your teams. And let's get going. Alright guys, good luck. 2014-2015 Panini Threads. Give me some of these sleeves over here. There's some open sleeves. Alright guys, let's pull a monster, 4 of them. How about 4 monsters? God, I just opened one of these. I'm about to just rip into the box. There we go. Pop, huh? Gotta be smarter than the box. Empty box. Use a small shuffle for luck. Alright, 2014, 2015 Threads. First pack, Isaiah Thomas, Suns. Georgia Dang with the Timberwolves. Ersan Ilyasova with the Bucks. Dirk Nowitzki, Mavericks. And first hit is beautiful. Steve Nash, autograph with the Lakers. I just got these thick card sleeves. Let me try them out real quick. I haven't used many of these yet. I usually use vintage card sleeves for the big ones. Yeah, that works. 100 point. That's a little tight. 130 point. Let me open it in a minute. Billy Paltz with the Spurs. Inside Presence, Marc Gasol, Grizzlies. Mario Chalmers with the Heat. I say Isaiah Thomas, Suns. Isaiah Thomas, Suns. Top right corner. Trevor Ariza, Rockets. Tim Hardaway, Knicks. There's the bigger top loaders. That's still 100. What am I doing? The ones on the far left are the ones I wanted. No, I got them right here. I just opened the wrong pack. No. Next pack, Brandon Jennings, Pistons. Avery Bradley with the Celtics. Hollis Thompson, 76ers. Goran Dragic with the Suns. And we have rookie view autograph, James Young. Is that a Celtic card? Yep, Boston Celtics. Little acetate auto. Give it a clear background so you can see it better. James Young autograph. It's a cool art. Let me open these 130s real quick. Get that Steve Young loaded. Get that James Young's. Did I say Steve Young? Steve Nash. Kostas Papanikolaou with the Rockets. That's a thick card there. It's the got the kind of leathery surface. Houston Rockets, Dwight Howard. Inside Presence. Steve Blake, Blazers. Shane Larkin, Knicks. I don't think we've had any Mavericks yet. It's our second pack here. Reggie Jackson, Thunder. And next pack. Eric Bledsoe, Suns. Derrick Rose, Bulls. David Robinson, Spurs. Cody Zeller, Hornets. I got a die cut under, that's what I felt. Next one is Authentic Treads for the Atlanta Hawks. Al Horford. That feels like 100 point. Anybody feel like they're an expert at finding the right size? Yeah, that's a good fit. I'm getting better at it. It's still a task. Next card is Bulls. Number 44. Who's 44? Is that Noah? No. Mirotic. Nikola Mirotic. Mirotic with the Bulls. Century Greats. Hakeem Olajuwon. Rockets. Omri Caspi. Kings. Nene. Wizards. Michael Carter Williams with the 76ers. Let me sleeve this jersey here. Die cuts give me trouble later on. So we already knocked out 3 of the hits here. 3 packs to go. Looks like we might have hit our 4th hit right here. Jarrett Jack, Nets. Iman Shumpert, Cavs. Gordon Hayward, Jazz. Eric Gordon, Pelicans. And the hit's going to be Markel Brown, rookie patch. This one's numbered to 199. Is that one numbered? No. For the Brooklyn Nets, Markel Brown, rookie. There's our 4 guaranteed hits. Anthony Davis, Pelicans. High Flyers, Andrew Wiggins with the Timberwolves, rookie card. Is that guy? I'd buy that off you. Or trade you. Otto Porter with the Wizards. Nerlens Noel, 76ers. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Hornets. And next pack. Bumped my stack. Devin Harris, Mavericks. David West, Pacers. Corey Brewer, Rockets. Chandler Parsons, Mavericks. And for the Rockets, talented twosomes, Dwight Howard and James Harden. Robin Lopez, Blazers. Floor Generals, John Wall, Wizards. Marcus Morris with the Suns. Does that excite you, Jenny? Louis Scola with the Pacers. Tim Duncan, Spurs. My wife's a big Morris Twins fan. Some of you probably heard that already. I was too, but she was more than me. DeAndre Jordan, Clippers. We had a Thomas Robinson yesterday. Courtney Lee, Grizzlies. Brandon Knight, Bucks. Channing Frye, Magic. Is it Channing or Shanning? I forget. Floor Generals, George Hill Pacers. This one is numbered to 99. Pop a sleeve on that. And what we get here? It's the leather surface card. Nick Johnson, rookie, Rockets. Century Greats, Karl Malone with the Lakers. Man, I totally forgot he ever played for the Lakers. He's always been a Jazz in my head. Steven Adams, Thunder. Scottie Pippen, Bulls. Ricky Rubio with the T-Wolves finishes us out. So that was 2014, 2015 Threads and the Brooklyn Nets. Markel Brown, numbered 199, rookie patch. Al Horford patch card. I might have missed that number on the first try. It was 199 on that number with the Hawks. The Rookie View autograph. James Young, Celtics. And Steve Nash with the Lakers autograph card. So that's it for Rookie Threads. Guy, if you want to trade that Andrew Wiggins card for some break credit, I mean, be realistic, and I'll do it. I'm a KU fan. So I'll be back. I'm not sure what box yet. I gotta go look what I have on hand. So stay tuned. It won't be long.